वैसे इधर है ना मुझे ना विपिट मिला है, तो आप चेक कर सकते हो, काफ़ी ज़्यादा सही स्ट्रक्चर है, बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर बढ़िया है। एंड मैम का है, एंड हाय मैम, कैन यू टेल अबाउट द ब्रीड? आई थिंक इज दिस अ विपिट?
Yes, this is a whippet.
Okay.
His name is Enzo. He's 3 years old.
Okay.
And he's probably the mid-size of the sighthound litters. There's the greyhound that's taller,
Okay.
the whippet, and then it goes the Italian greyhound.
Okay. And nice, it's a nice dog. And you put it on dog show?
Actually, no, but his dad is here today.
Okay.
So, yeah, his dad is in the show, and he won Best of Winners yesterday.
Okay, yesterday.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you doing breeding in this breed? Or?
No, but I'm meeting, I never met his breeder before, and his breeder's here today, and his dad.
Okay.
So I'm going to be meeting them today.
Okay. You are you have just as a pet?
He's just as a pet, yeah.
Okay,
he never did go to do any shows.
Okay. Yeah. Like you were saying about his dad and the mother, like pedigree
Yes,
is good.
absolutely, yeah. He comes from very good lines and...
Okay, nice, thank you. काफ़ी ज़्यादा सही है. And what is this name?
Enzo.
Okay. काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्यारा है.
He likes his butt scratched.
Okay. काफ़ी ज़्यादा सही है गाइस. तो वही आपने अभी देखा विपिट, तो बताया सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन. लाइक जो मैम थे, मैम ने जस्ट पेट रखा था. जो इसका डैड है वो कल जीत चुका है. मतलब अच्छी पेडिग्री का डॉग था, क्योंकि मैम को कम नॉलेज थी अबाउट द डॉग शो, सो मैंने ज़्यादा बात नहीं की. तो प्यारा डॉग था काफ़ी ज़्यादा. ये देखो गाइस, काफ़ी ज़्यादा रेयर ब्रीड गाइस, मुझे पता नहीं कौन सी ब्रीड है ये. चेक करो गाइस, काफ़ी ज़्यादा. देख लो इसके फर, देखो गाइस कितने अच्छे लग रहे हैं मुझे. ये देखो, आपको भी लगे होंगे पक्का, डैम श्योर हूँ मैं गाइस. काफ़ी ज़्यादा रेयर ब्रीड है. चेक करो गाइस, ये देखो, बड़े ही रेयर ब्रीड है. मतलब इधर तो कॉमन होएगी, मुझे पता नहीं, बट इंडिया में आपको ऐसी ब्रीड देखने को शायद ही मिले, बहुत रेयर. लाइक इधर रेंग में भी कोई ब्रीड दिख नहीं रही. इसके अलावा आगे गोल्डन रेट्रीवर, एंड चेक कर सकते हो गाइस, काफ़ी ज़्यादा सही है. एंड will you tell about the which position he got?
He got a select male.
Okay.
So he was the second best male in the specialty show for golden retrievers.
Okay, second best.
Yeah.
Specialty. Okay guys, check कर सकते हो, काफ़ी ज़्यादा सही डॉग है. And will you tell about the dog? How is the golden retriever? Like
Perfect.
okay.
They have the best temperament. They are happy all the time.
Okay, from which origin is this breed?
For me,
Which origin of this breed?
like,
Which origin of this breed?
what's the origin of the breed?
Yeah,
Well, they come from Scotland.
Scotland. Okay.
Yeah,
It's
from a yellow retriever.
okay, nice. Are you doing breeding in the golden retriever only?
Yeah, I breed.
Okay, and will you tell about the other winning of this dog?
Other winning?
Yeah.
He's only 18 months, so
Okay.
he just really started. He got his championship when he was a puppy still, and this is his first weekend out
Okay.
as a champion.
Okay,
So he did really well. Excuse me, what's
yeah, yeah.
out of the sun?
Yeah.
Is that better, buddy? Come here.
Is he stubborn or not?
No,
Okay.
he just wants to be in the shade.
Okay, nice. Like in this shows, when they win the title, the judges give only this type of prize. It's just a title. Like in India, if I talk about they give big trophies.
Oh, no, we don't get trophies, just ribbons. I gotta go in though, because I need to get a
Okay, thank you.
So, thank you.
और गाइस है ना, इधर मैंने बात की, और जो है ना हमारे लाइक ना इंडिया में शो होते हैं, उधर हम देते हैं बड़ी ट्रॉफी देते हैं. जो जीतता है लाइनअप में, जो आपको पता ही है, ठीक है, एक BOB वगैरह देते हैं, ट्रॉफी देते हैं. बट इधर टाइटल्स होते हैं, रिबन्स देते हैं. तो मैंने पूछा, सही था. चेक करो.
There you go.
Hi ma'am, will you tell us about the which breed is this?
This is called a Chinese crested.
Chinese?
Chinese crested.
Okay.
Okay.
Is this a rare breed?
No, it's not as common as some breeds,
Okay, okay.
but and they don't get any bigger than this.
Okay,
They might
okay.
get a little bit wider. He's about a year and a half.
Okay.
They can come in this kind of coat, you know, so that they have hair on the tail and hair here.
Okay.
And so
You have trimmed him or not? Like
So
the-
he gets hair here. He will grow hair here.
Okay.
But it's really small hair.
Okay.
And then we trim that small hair for the shows.
Okay.
And then I'll let him grow it out when it's
Okay. Is this a rare breed? Like in India, I had attended the lot of dog show
Okay.
and I didn't
Never
find
seen
that.
this before?
Yeah, no.
No, he's not rare here.
Okay, in Canada.
But lots of people don't own him.
Okay.
I breed Dobermans and I've had Dobermans since 1998.
Okay.
And I'm getting older.
You breed Latin American or
I'm-
the
I'm a-
European?
No, I breed Canadian.
Okay.
American.
Ca-
Canadian.
yeah, American
Dobermans.
standard.
Yeah.
Okay. Like
And-
there are two types of origin, like European and the
European,
American.
and then I call South American different too.
Okay.
But yes, I do breed all Canadian American.
Okay. Okay.
And
nice.
then, but I got him because I'm getting older,
Okay.
and I don't want to own big dogs.
Okay. Like they are.
Like, and he's very close to a Doberman. He's very smart. He's very friendly.
Okay.
It's an amazing breed of dog.
Okay.
So he's called a Chinese crested.
Chinese crested.
Crested.
Crested. Chinese
Yeah,
crested.
close,
Okay.
okay.
तो गाइस बड़ा ही बेहतरीन है। सो गाइस जो ये आपने ब्रीड देखी ये है चाइनीज़ क्रेस्टेड। बाकी आप सर्च कर लेना गूगल पर सर्च करके आपको काफ़ी ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगी। जो मैम ने मुझे बताया ना, जो आपको हेयर्स दिखे उधर तो होती हैं लॉन्ग हेयर होते हैं, बट जो है ना आपको स्किन देख रही है उधर भी लाइक ना ऐसे नहीं कि बहुत ज़्यादा हेयर आएंगे, थोड़े सी हेयर्स आते हैं। तो स्टैंडर्ड ऐसा ही है, मतलब देख लुक कैसी रहती है। पहले मुझे ऐसे लगा था कि ट्रिम किया है एज कोई स्टाइल होएगा ऐसा, बट नहीं, ऐसी ही ब्रीड है। बाकी मैम कह रहे हैं कि मैंने डॉबरमैन भी ब्रीड किए हैं, लाइक ना आप कह रहे थे कि मैं ओल्ड हो गई हूँ तो इसलिए मैंने स्मॉल ब्रीड के ऊपर ब्रीडिंग कर रहे हैं। एंड तो सही था, बाकी आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगी। तो ये देखो कितनी प्यारी ब्रीड है, क्यूट काफ़ी ज़्यादा है। एंड ये फर बॉल ही लग रही है। एंड हियर मैम हाउ आर यू?
I'm good, thank you.
Okay, and ma'am, will you tell us about the breed? Which breed is this?
It's an American Cocker Spaniel,
Okay, and
he's 5 years old, and he's buff in color,
okay,
and he's a Grand Champion,
okay, Grand Champion, Canadian Grand Champion.
Canadian Grand Champion.
You do breeding in American Cocker Spaniel only?
I've been breeding them for probably 20 years.
Okay,
Retired now. This will be my last show dog.
okay, you will never breed
No,
after. Okay, 20 हो गई सर, 20 साल हो गए ब्रीडिंग करते हुए। And how is you feel about the breed? Like they have double coat breed and it's easy to maintain or how?
No, it's high maintenance.
Okay,
You have to have coat like that. You have to bath them once a week
okay,
and blow dry them with a dryer. If you want them for a pet, you shave them down. People don't keep them like this. It's too much work.
okay. And guys देखो काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्यारी ब्रीड है, देख सकते हो। एंड ना आप क्या बढ़िया ब्रीड। हम देखो इसका he do shake hand? Yeah.
Just shake them.
They're also very calm. Like they're biters and barkers.
Okay,
Fairly quiet.
okay. Is that
They're a great family pet.
Oh yeah.
They're a great family pet.
okay?
Quiet until their mother walks by and doesn't say anything to them.
Is this breed is aggressive or not?
What?
Is this breed is aggressive or not?
No,
Okay.
no, not at all.
What the purpose of this breed?
The purpose of that breed?
Yeah.
Flushers. So what they do is they were bred to take birds that are in the brush,
Okay.
like in the short brush. They go in and flush it. So they go in and flush it and make the bird fly so that the hunter can shoot it.
Okay, nice.
So they're bird dogs. They're in the sporting group.
Okay. Okay. इधर गाइस क्यूट क्यूट से टॉय फार्म आप चेक करो, इसकी बार्किंग देखो, बार्किंग देखो कैसे भौंक रहे हैं, ये देखो काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्यारे प्यारे हैं, ये देखो मतलब प्रॉपर, ये देखो यू कैन चेक, ये ऑरेंज कलर में आ गया, आप देखो गाइस ये चेक करो, काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्यारी ब्रीड है. एंड विच ब्रीड इज दिस?
Old English sheepdog.
Old English sheepdog. I think it's earlier I thought it was Bichon.
No, this will be 90 pounds. This is a baby puppy.
Okay.
She's going to be this big.
Okay, it's a baby.
Yes, 4 months old.
Okay, so just a 4-month-old. Okay, guys, ये देखो काफी ज़्यादा.
Pretty cute, isn't she? I did not make her.
Okay.
Okay, she came from another breed.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where are you going? She's all excited about something. I don't know what she's excited about.
Okay.
Like, is
it's
she
it's a baby and
Stormy. Her name's Stormy.
Stormy. Okay.
There you go, my
You are doing breeding in this or not?
Okay. She's destined to have puppies, but I'm not going to own her puppies. Okay?
Okay.
My deal with her is I got a nice dog for me to play with,
Okay.
but her original breeders, if you look up the, you
Okay.
can find her number. It's 828,
Okay.
and in there you can find the breeder information.
Okay.
And they are on Facebook. You can find them quite easily.
Okay. Nice.
And the plan is that she will have puppies, let's say 2.5 years from now.
Okay.
That will be her litter.
Okay, heard it. Okay, nice.
But they're the people you want to negotiate.
Okay.
They are like living with a real life teddy bear.
Okay, yeah, I think.
They're 90 pounds of cuddle.
Yeah.
What's wrong, sweetie?
It's look like a fur ball.
It is.
Yeah.
It's also an hour plus a day brushing, and she goes to the groomer 1 day a week
Okay.
to get her toenails done and a complete brush out.
Okay, nice.
Okay, so
Like
there-
it's hard to maintain long coat breed.
exactly.
Yeah.
You can shave them,
Yeah.
so you can make it short, and it'll curl.
Yeah.
To make it short.
Okay.
So it's actually kind of cute.
Yeah, that's right.
But yeah, if you want to go through this work,
Okay.
you can.
Yeah.
But you just gotta. Basically, we teach them to lie down on the table,
Okay.
and they go to sleep while we're brushing.
Okay.
What are you chirping about, my friend?
ना मुझे ना बड़े ही बेहतरीन ना ग्रेट डेन दिखे थे, बट जो ओनर है उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि यूट्यूब पर नहीं डालनी वीडियो, अगर तूने रखनी है मतलब मैं अपने फ़ोन में रख सकता हूँ, बट यूट्यूब पर मैं नहीं कैसे डालने के अलाउड नहीं कर सकती. बट गाइस ग्रेट डेन गाइस काफ़ी ज़्यादा सही थे एंड सम और भी.
That's enough.
They are howling.
They shouldn't be. Don't put your hand up like that
Okay.
because they'll jump. You have to go low with them.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh, I
just
see.
pat their bellies or whatever if you want to pat them. Don't put your hands up.
Okay. इसको देखो साइबेरियन हस्की आ गई, चेक करो आप, काफ़ी ज़्यादा सही है.
Oh, okay.
हाँ, okay. Which color is this?
Silver and gray, and this is copper and
Copper. Okay.
Hey, hey,
Silver and gray and copper.
Okay.
Yeah.
They are brother sister or?
They're not related.
Huh?
They're not related.
Okay.
Yeah. This one's 6 months old. That one's over a year old.
Okay. Are you?
We're showing.
Okay.
Yeah.
वही शो डॉग है, चेक कर सकते हो.
Here at Legacy. Legacy.
Look at that pup.
है ना, रिंग चल रही है बेल्जियन शेफर्ड की, आप चेक कर सकते हो पर प्रॉपर चेक करेंगे. लाइक कई ना मैंने ना डॉग्स की वैरायटीज़ है ना देखी है ना, बहुत ज़्यादा वैरायटीज़ हैं डॉग्स की. लाइक इंडिया में ये शायद ही दिखने को मिलती है, मतलब बेल्जियन शेफर्ड तो ऐसे तो भी मिल जाते हैं, बट जो रेयर ब्रीड है ना, क्या बात करूँ मैं, बड़े ही बेहतरीन है. वो देखो चेक करो. तो गाइस आपने देखा ये ऐसी रिंग होती है। बाकी आपको डॉग्स दिखाता हूँ। तो गाइस है ना, इस डॉग शो की बात करूँ, मैंने मैम से बात की थी और वो मुझे कह रहे थे कि इधर हो रही है ऑल ब्रीड डॉग शो, लाइक जैसे हमारे इंडिया में होता है। और न्यूमरस स्पेशलिटी लाइक ना, इधर डॉग शो काफ़ी ज़्यादा हैं, अलग अलग ब्रीड्स के एंड स्पेशलिटी होती है। ठीक है, तो ये सीन है। बाकी आपको लाइक कैसा लग रहा है ब्लॉग बताइए मुझे। तो फिर ऐसे है ना, वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर कर दिया करो, क्योंकि आपका भाई यार इतनी दूर आता है डॉग्स कवर करने के लिए एंड टाइम भी ख़राब होता है। लेकिन अगर जब तक आप यार वीडियो नहीं लाइक करते ना, सही नहीं लगता। सो गाइस वीडियो को ज़रूर लाइक कर दो। तो चेक करो ये माहौल है इधर का, जर्मन शेफर्ड की रिंग चल रही है, आप चेक करो। गाइस आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी, वीडियो को लाइक शेयर कमेंट कीजिए और ऐसे ही वीडियो देखने के लिए चैनल को कर दीजिए सब्सक्राइब। तो गाइस मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में।